Today we're playing NPCs are becoming smart. Two. Part two. Because in part one, my phone died. My phone died. So it's kind of charged. It's a little bit lower than 55%. Where's NPCs are becoming smart? Wait, you guys just saw it? Because I can't see it. Oh. Sorry, my sister just forgot to log out. So I can log on to my... Okay, so... we can't see. Come on, hurry up. Okay. Yeah, get on your own account. Or I'm reporting you and I'm unfriending you. Please don't log into my account again. Because you have your own account. Look at your avatar. It's kind of better than mine, but like ours are like the same. Oh, it's always telling the ads. But like, bro, where NPCs are we? Bro! Oh my. Yo. Go, I'm getting sent. Where is it? No, I wanna go back. Why does this house look normal? Even though it's not because we're in another version. Wait. Bro! Why is this stove looking at me? Bro, I didn't know that. It just appeared out of nowhere. Okay, what I'm gonna do. Bro, I don't know what this version is.
Lord, get out my room, I'm playing Minecraft.
Why does it always... Fine, then I'm gonna block your way.
Get out my room, I'm playing Minecraft,
Oh, now he says Minecraft instead of Fortnite? that's the ending! Finally, I got a new ending! And I was running. I was literally running. I was literally running for my life. That was crazy. I finally got that ending. So I have about 40 endings, I believe. There are many people.
Again. You made a freaking gun.
Okay.
What the heck? I can't pick it up.
Now I'm gonna get the Christmas ending again because last time I wasn't recording. Gonna do that though. The last time I did it, I was recording. But I was talking about the time before that. What do you mean? Oh, oh no, I don't remember how to spell Christmas. Am I crazy? Wait. Oh, it's it. No, it's Christmas. How? Like, Happy Christmas? No, it's Merry
Christmas already passed. It's already February 26, 2018. Do you want it to be Christmas though? Cool, follow me. Let's go back to December 2017.
Bro.
Okay, let me just input the details. Okay, you ready? Let's go!
Go. Christmas verse and nice.
Again, give me
By the way, it's
freaking
not
gun.
Christmas, but I was still
What the
freaking
heck?
on.
I can't pick it up.
I'm pushing you up.
Merry Christmas to you too. Let's go to Fortnite Funny 85 pounds. Because there's a surprise for you.
Where's Ava? Oh, she probably went here. Well,
Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday.
What?
Hey, did you go?
Uh,
Did you go in here too?
Nugget.
Anyways, are you guys ready to open some presents?
Yeah. Why are you so
Yeah.
Let's go open some presents. Wait a minute. Where are all the presents?
Presents? Oh yeah. I forgot to put them under the tree.
Bruh.
Man, what?
So where did you put them?
I hid them around the map because I thought it was Easter.
Oh,
come on.
Well, I guess the presents will be delayed. Gamer, will you help us find the presents? They should be hidden around the map.
Yeah, I'll come. This first present is way too easy, okay?
Come on. Go on.
Wait, is he saying something? Boba! 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 Where is it? Oh! Found it. Anyways, let me find the other presents. I'm sure there's one like behind us. Oh, yay! Where's the beehive? The beehive is stolen the presents. One of them. Okay, I think the bees are on this side, right? Yay! Why did I say white? Okay. Stop! I'm trying to get the presents! Huh? 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 Oh no. Oh no. Ah!
Welcome back. Did you find any presents?
I think he found something else.
What?
Ah!
Hey! It's the easiest turn.
Wait, you know this guy?
Well,
What the heck is that?
oh no! They are taking our friends!
Stop! 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 I didn't have time to dodge it.
Hey, player! Are you okay there? What the heck happened? Oh well, whatever the case, we need to get out of here!
Mama, this is
Hey, I have a plan! How about we keep pushing this cage until we get out of here? Let's do it together! Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go! Out.
My avatar
It's
is
not
kinda
working.
cute.
Don't worry, I'll help you out!
If it's my own.
Okay, just help me push to that direction. 3, 2, 1, go! You okay? Come on, let's get out of here! We still need to find our friends! I'll follow you. Lead the way! Don't worry, I'll be fast this time.
Well, okay, sure. I could just like. This looks like scary.
What the heck is this place?
Does it look like I know? Okay, like we're here in. Where? Let's check here first. Wait. Are we supposed to look here?
Well, this is interesting. What even are those things?
Those are gifts.
So weird.
I don't know what that is. Hey, where are you? You scared me, bro. Anyway, let me go here. Okay, so, what is this? What is this? So, what is that noise? Oh, it's just a TV. I don't know what it is.
Can we reach the doorknob?
Wait, oh my god, I didn't have
Wait, I'll
time.
help you. Try option unlimited.
Okay, maybe you'll have headaches. Bro, I keep trying to press the jump button. I press the settings instead. What? Oh, okay. Wow.
We did it. Epic teamwork. Look at this place. Hey, look. Another door. Let's do the same thing later.
Hey! Hands off, bro.
Come on, hop on my head.
Okay. Bro, I jumped over you instead. Bro, why do I keep doing that? Bro. This time...
Dang. It's locked. How about over there? A vent. Come follow me.
Bro, why were you...
Come on my head. You might be able to open the door for me.
Oh my god, bro. I can't. You keep shoving out of me. Bro, come on, man. Every time. Hello? Bro. Oh my god. Oh. I thought it was this going on. Oh, whoa. Am I thin enough to go through here? Ow.
What happened? It's blocked by something? Let me have a look. I might be able to push it. Come boost
Are
me
you
up.
sure? Okay, I'm boosting you. Okay. Come on.
I made
I'll
it.
boost you.
Okay, stay right here. I'll be back.
What are those? Hey. Hey. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! What? I thought it wasn't there anymore. Bro, I thought it wasn't there anymore. I don't know. Huh? Come on, please. Come on. Is he trying to shut the door for me? How is he not attacking me? Oh, he's too tall. Bro, if I go out, imagine it. Like, I would go. No! Why are you breaking the blocks? What? I was literally in the whole time. Can it destroy things automatically? Like, ah! Get every time. Yo. Hey, what's up? Oh, no, no, no! No, do not come over here, bro. Are you sure? Finally! Bro, why do you close the door like that? That's not how doors close. Cole, come back! Huh? Where are you?
Player.
See you!
Here. I'll go open the door if I can.
Like, okay.
Player, I did it. Let's go.
Okay, yeah. What is this place anyway? What is this place anyway? Like, what in the world is this place?
Does this ever end? Like what does this gift for bro even need these rooms for?
I don't really know. But like, let's continue. Door right there. Why is there a door? Okay, can we get through?
Whoa. What the heck is that?
Ah! Stop.
Hey, over there! I'll help you up. Don't worry about the monster, just try to sneak. Hey, monster! Over here! You can't get me! Do you want 3 chicken nuggets?
Pause. Grab!
Hey, do
Hurry!
you even speak English? Yes! Get in, player! Nice! Good job, player. That was awesome.
One time I literally died instead of him.
Let's
He
proceed.
should die.
I really hope our friends are okay.
Okay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Then what do I do with this next? Like, now what we do with, like, we do something. Oh no! Come on, no! It's a glitch. Wait, I don't know what to do next. Okay, we wanna open this, right? Oh, you can't open it. Then what do you do? Did we already go in here? And the door, like, I don't know what to do. Like, there's no door. Wait, what is the point of this? Oh my god. Be careful. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Oh my god, man. I don't know what to do. This is literally the door. Okay, welcome, welcome. Okay, I don't know what to do. It just needs to be something. Like something! Okay. Bet. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't